Are you prepared for the winter season? Is your roof ready to handle the harsh weather? Winter can be brutal, and your roof is your first line of defense against the biting cold, snow, and ice. Today, we'll be discussing how to prepare and protect your roof for the winter season in simple, easy-to-follow steps. First things first, inspect the roof. Look for any signs of damage or wear, such as missing or cracked shingles, rusted flashing, or damaged chimney caps. These seemingly small issues can quickly escalate into bigger problems under the weight of snow and ice. If you spot any damage, make sure to repair it immediately. Next, clean the gutters. It might not seem like the most glamorous job, but it's an essential step in winterizing your roof. Gutters clogged with leaves and debris can cause water to back up and freeze, leading to ice dams that can seriously damage your roof. So grab a ladder, a pair of gloves, and a bucket and get to work. Thirdly, check your attic. Proper ventilation and insulation in your attic can help prevent ice dams. The attic should be cold to stop the snow on the roof from melting and refreezing. Also, good insulation keeps the warmth where it belongs, inside your home, not escaping through the roof. Then, consider installing heating cables. These can be a lifesaver in areas prone to heavy snowfall. Heating cables melt the snow on your roof, preventing the formation of ice dams. Remember though, always hire a professional to install heating cables to avoid any potential safety hazards. Lastly, trim any overhanging branches. Winter storms can cause branches to break and fall on your roof, potentially causing serious damage. Trimming back these branches can help prevent any unwanted surprises during a winter storm. To recap, preparing and protecting your roof for winter involves inspecting the roof for any damage, cleaning the gutters, checking the attic for proper ventilation and insulation, considering the installation of heating cables, and trimming any overhanging branches. These steps can help ensure that your roof is ready to take on the winter season and keep your home warm and dry. Remember, your roof is one of the most important parts of your home. It's worth investing the time and effort to make sure it's prepared for the winter season. It's not just about staying warm and cozy inside, it's about protecting your investment and ensuring the longevity of your home. So, don't wait until the first snowfall. Start preparing your roof for winter today. You'll be glad you did when the snow starts to fall and your home stays warm and dry.